Stop scrolling. Something is coming for you. Something quiet, unseen, but very powerful. Allah is sending a message just for you, and if you ignore it, you may miss it forever. Life feels heavy. Your heart feels tired. You wake up, try to keep going, but problems keep coming. You wonder why your prayers are not answered, why your efforts seem wasted. Allah sees every struggle, every tear, every quiet plea. He knows exactly what you need, even when you do not. Think about the small moments you rush past every day. The quiet morning, the little things that make you smile, the chance to take a deep breath. These are the moments where Allah speaks. Your struggles are not random. Your pain has meaning. Your heart is being prepared for something better than you can imagine. Sometimes you feel invisible, unheard, and alone. But every act of patience, every small effort, every whispered dua matters. Allah is keeping track of it all. He is guiding you through the dark moments, leading you toward light you cannot see yet. Life pushes you to scroll, compare, and get distracted. Stop. Breathe. Listen. Let hope return. Let your heart feel Allah's presence. You do not need to fix everything today. You only need to trust Him and take the next step, one at a time. Your problems are not the end. Your fears are not stronger than your faith. Your soul is loved more than you know. This moment is here to remind you, you are never alone, never forgotten, and your journey has a purpose. Look at your life closely. Think about the people you love, the chances you have, and the prayers you whispered in silence. All of this matters. Allah is shaping your story in ways you cannot see. Every struggle is a step towards something greater. Every tear is watering hope. Every silence is preparing your heart to hear the right message at the right time. Hold on to this. Let it fill you. Let it calm your mind, strengthen your faith, and remind you that Allah is always near. Share this with someone who needs it. Like, subscribe, and remember, sometimes, stopping is the first step to everything changing.